Today we are going to learn about the three states of matter. There are three states of matter: solid, liquid, gas. Let's begin. Water. What is water? Water is a liquid. Rubber duck. What is a rubber duck? A rubber duck is a solid. Steam. What is steam? Steam is a gas. Ink. What is ink? Ink is a liquid. Air from a hair dryer. What is the air from a hair dryer? Air is a gas. Statue. What is a statue? A statue is a solid. Smoke. What is smoke? Smoke is a gas. Orange juice. What is orange juice? Orange juice is a liquid. Marble. What is a marble? A marble is a solid.